Hello and welcome once again to the Company Interiors channel. Today we're talking about two different ways of making moss walls, and before I start, just to make sure you listen to the end of the video, we actually want to give away a free set of samples for you. If you just cover the postage for me, there'll be a link in the description at the end of this video, and then we can get these posted out to you. Feel the product, get the designs ready in your mind's eye as to what you're wanting to create. So let's talk about how we're actually making these. We're going to put this into two categories. The first category is the smaller project, maybe the hobbyist, something that you're wanting to do on a smaller scale, a smaller frame, wall, or however you're wanting to do that. You will be able probably to want to buy the product itself in its loose format. So we do actually promote and we do actually sell the loose products, which are available in the description below this video. Click on the link, you've got the opportunity to buy the loose material itself. All preserved mosses, all preserved plants, then you can start to get to work. I'm going to also link a video here which is just showing you how we were actually making these moss frames, which is the same way that you would be making a wall. You start off with the design, which you're going to use different products. So you have lichen, which is called reindeer moss. Essentially it is a lichen, not a moss. You have flat mosses, you have bun mosses, which give you the undulation in the design, and then now you also have preserved plants. Now we have some preserved ferns here which bring a real lifestyle to the product itself. Very, very realistic. These are preserved plants, require no maintenance, no watering, no daylight, so they will last for 10 years. So that's the first category. You're going to buy the product loose, you're going to actually get to work with the raw materials, the glues, the boards, and then you're going to get that craft, get that DIY style, get that product made. The second category, very exciting, brand new product for you, are pre-made panels. So today we are launching these new products, brand new, and we're going to just show you what the differences are. So we start off with mood moss. These are just small samples that I've got. The panels come in all sizes up to 1 meter by 1 meter or rectangular, so you can sort the design yourself if it's just a frame or it's a wall. You can use the product, it's backed with hardboard. You would make your fixings, you can screw that to a substrate or you can glue it to a substrate, and this is the first one, which is mood moss. So this is the lichen. As the panels, it's getting bigger, you begin to join the panels and you see there is a seamless join. They just literally go together on a wall, and you can create this as large as you like. They are put in airports, in hotels, in all sorts of different designs, and then we start to blend the different products together. So we're starting off now with a forest moss panel. This is flat moss, and this would just be a continuous product again that you would join, no gluing. It arrives, ships to you in the size that you order, and then you just get to work making the frame or the wall however you want to do it. You can of course always send us designs and we can put that on CAD for you and then actually make all the panels up and then ship them to you. So the next one we have what we're calling nature walls. This is now a mixture of flat moss and bun mosses, so very similar to what the design that you have here. So these would be panels that would just go straight on the wall and create your design that way. We then have grassland. Now this is a fantastic new product. This is a combination of flat moss, bun moss, preserved plants. So within this we have eucalyptus, we have tree ferns or forest ferns, grasses, all sorts of products, a very, very realistic nature wall. a grassland wall. We then have bun moss or dune walls. That is purely bun moss in one creation, in one design. I'll try and flip a few images on this video so you can see that. And then we have the wild wall, which is purely preserved plants of all descriptions: eucalyptus, ivy, grasses, ferns. Absolutely amazing product when it's actually installed in situ. So there we go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this sort of thing. Click these notification bells to make sure that you get alerted to new videos that we're making. And please click on the link. I want to send you a free sample of these mosses in their raw format, and then you can really get an idea of what this is going to look like. This will inspire you to get going with your project. Good luck, and we'll see